friends, it's Liz with Liz at Tim's Budgets, and we are going to do a side hustle stuffing today. So let's go ahead and count up what we have. And we have 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $56 to stuff. First thing we are going to take care of is taking our taxes, and that is going to be $20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Right. Let's see what we have in here now. So there's 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and $96 in taxes. There is my taxes on what I sell on Poshmark. I'm sure I did not say that this is for the side hustle is for the items that I have sold on Poshmark. So next thing is cost, and there was 25, 10, 15, 20, 1 and $22 in cost. So that is actually just going to go back to my wallet for buying more stuff to sell. So that leaves us with 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, and $14 to stuff into envelopes today. And we are going to start in my medical. I have decided to change this up just a little bit with my medical envelope, because I do have funds from every paycheck that I have that goes directly into an account to pay for medical costs. Because that fluctuates so much, I'm not going to keep track of it, of what I put in that account. It's just to pay for everything, and usually it's gone every month. So, and if you are wondering how much that is, it's $300 a month that I put into medical costs. I do have some autoimmune disorders, so my biggest expenditure every year, and usually weekly and monthly, is medical, whether it's prescriptions or doctor's appointments or anything that's supposed to be able to help with what I have. So I'm not going to track what I put aside each paycheck for that anymore. I'm just going to track and save up from when I do the side hustle money. And I do have a system of what goes where. If you're not if you're new to my channel and my videos and you have not seen any of the ones I've done regarding my setup and how I categorize and decide what goes where, there is a video that I put out a while back that shows that. So I don't think I'll go over it again here, but I'll stop rambling and start stuffing. But medical is getting $1. And it is time to do new envelopes because mine keep falling apart. So there's $1 in medical. And then we're going to move on to this binder and go to Pool Pass, which is getting $5. So total in this is 5, 10, 15, $16. Yes. That is all that is going in here. Right, then we are moving on to my car envelope. This is to pay for maintenance and such. And that is also getting $1. So there is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23 in my car maintenance. I did go get my oil changed. I didn't draw the money out of here I just used my buffer in my account to pay for it. Probably should pay myself back, but I will contemplate that off camera and see if I want to do that or just leave this here since I did pay for it from my buffer. Should build my buffer back up, but we'll see. Okay, so the car got $1, and then the last envelope that is getting money is my down payment savings, and that is getting what's left. So there is 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, $607 in my down payment savings. We are very, very slowly getting this built up, but I came to the conclusion I need about 15,000 before I can even start looking. So this might be the next big push for me, is getting that built up. All right, that is everything for this side hustle stuffing. I am excited to tell you the next one will be even bigger, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for being here with me. Bye.